If you believe it, you will definitely live it. But when you live it, you will be relieved from it. How to know if you are yourself or other people's dream elf? If it makes you ill or feels like going uphill without getting any fulfill, those are the best signs to sense that you are not in your essence. How to get back to oneself, to be healthier and clear, our mental shelf. We were born with sensors to adorn our natural discern. Don't take personal other people's arsenal, because they are confused just like you led the way there with your mind. And be alone without other energy airborne that will allow your sensors to get back to their natural preferences.